topic word formation and prefix, suffix. Okay. So what is the recap in the sense? Have you coined a word at any language, your mother tongue, any new word and point it or else you can use that word or a name to call somebody else. This is not in the language earlier. இல்லாத மாதிரி ஏதோ ஒரு வார்த்தை சும்மா நமக்குள்ள சொல்ற மாதிரி. Have you ever tried it out? While reading comprehension, we just want to decode the meaning of a word, right? Decode the meaning of a word. I just show you some example here. Here I have written two words. One is banquet and another one is coordinator. Which word looks so familiar? Coordinator. Why it is so? Coordinator. Why it is look so familiar? Cooperative. Cooperative. So thing is that together with. In the same somewhere here these words and thoughts will. Okay. So banquet is nothing but food served on a deck. This is the word from the old English. Okay. And also English is a language borrowed words, lots of words from other languages. You can have influence such as Latin, Greek, French, and I just listed a few words there. Resume, buffet, cafe. These are all the words or borrowed from other languages and we started using activities. Okay. So in the language, why should we coin lot of new words? The question is, why should we coin a word? For what purpose we are supposed to do that thing? Like imagine like this dictionary. So everyone knows the dictionary. Update edition kudukranga. Why they are giving the updated edition? Why don't we go with the old one? Words get updated. Word addition and again they change it. Okay, so this is the edition of last year and this year we have another in the same. The words get updated for year and year. Okay, what is the purpose of coining a word in this sense? To build vocabulary and strengthen tongue. If you don't have these two things in the sense and the communication gets trouble like anything. Okay, so what is the purpose of reading this in the sense word formation and what connection we have with this in the sense? That is what we are going to explore in the part of addition of affixes. Okay, so this is what happens when you hear these two terms. Unfamiliar word and your experience. You try to connect and get the meaning of a word with some familiar terms within them. That's what happens when you hear the word. And here it is addition of affixes. Affixes is nothing but affixes can be divided into two parts such as prefix and suffix. So what is the prefix? Prefix can be added the beginning of a sentence. So suffix can be added at the end of a sentence. That will be common rule. Okay. So for making a word, what we are supposed to do in this sense, that is the word called root word. Root word or else you can call it as a base word of the program. Root or base word. So this particular word has certain meaning. For instance, there is a word play. Play in the sense between act or do something. Okay, so you go to play or what else you can or else you play some music, some anything else you can say. But here music. Here I am adding a one prefix and here I am adding a suffix. Okay, so without changing the function of your base word, I am coining a new word. So what is the purpose of making a word formation in this sense? By adding either a prefix or suffix. You are not supposed to use both the things simultaneously. Either you can make a word as a prefix or else you can coin it as a suffix form along with the base word structure. So by doing that, the base word, the spelling will not change, whereas the meaning gets changed. Okay? Okay. Another word, happy. When you add a prefix, it becomes again unhappy. Okay? Happiness. Happily. Like that, we can make a lot of new words. Okay? This is how we are making lot of new words in a language to enrich. எதுக்காக நம்ம பண்றோம் language வந்து enrich பண்றதுக்காக we are doing it like this we can do lot of things. So the word formation எதுக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா root word can be transformed into any kind of a parts of speech. Hope you remember the parts of speech, right? So any kind of a parts of speech in this things we can make it a word as a verb structure, noun form, adjective or adverb. For instance, there is the act. Action is the action. Act is the verb. Action is the இதெல்லாம் நம்ம டிக்ஷனரி பார்க்கறதே கிடையாது. Okay, here it is a verb teach. When I add the suffix along with the term, what does it mean? Teacher. It referring a noun. Educate. Educate is the verb. Education. Now it becomes a noun. So a word can be transformed into any of the four categories. Okay, well, for instance, active, act, action, active will be a adjective structure. And here it is quick, quickly. So these are all the things not new to us, but we do not know the purpose behind it. நமக்கு இந்த பின்னாடி இருக்கக்கூடிய purpose வந்து clear-ஆ இருக்கிறது கிடையாது. ஓகேவா? So by adding the affix, that means either a prefix or suffix, we are creating a lot of new terms to enrich vocabulary. Okay? So here I have listed a few things. Term in the same, it means skin. What are all the words connected with that? Skin. Dermatologist. Dermatologist is the base word. The term is the base word. We coin it is like a dermatologist. And here it is bio, biology, biography. Like that you can make. Okay. Auto in the same cell. So it means we are making a words automobile, autography, automatic, anything else. But the purpose is comes from the base word cell. And here it is chrono in the sense which means deal with the time, chronology, academic chronology, chronicle. The word is base word from the. So when you hear the word, you try to connect it with that meaning. So chrono in the sense means time. So something is dealt with time. Like that you can get connected. Aqua in the sense water. So what are all the words you can remember here? Aquarium. Aquatic. Aquatic. Okay. And here it is co in the thing together. So coordination, cooperator. Astro. Astro means star. Astrology. Astronomy. So like that we can coin a word. For every word there is a base word. We cannot change the meaning of the base word. Whereas by adding a prefix or suffix, even the function of prefix, if you are using some negative prefix in the thing, it changes its meaning. That's what happens here. Have be, but when you use the negative prefix, it changes the meaning of it. Okay, and there is a word again. I think the same again. Antihero. So antivirus. If a recent days, what kind of a prefixes we are using? Can anyone spot? Recent. Digital age. So very easy people. E-shopping. E-shopping. E-commerce. So e-shopping, e-commerce, cyber security. Cyber in the sense deals with virtual spaces. So cyber security, cyber threat. So the word is related to that, but the meaning is connected with the base word of a cyber. Okay, so this is how we are coining a word. So can anyone just summarize at least what we have seen in a pattern? Just tell me what we have seen. Girls, anyone? Connecting. Connecting word. Dog thing with bio